Hey y'all, I'm Katie and welcome back to another episode of AFI DIYs. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very handy and practical product, toilet bombs. This quick and easy DIY will be sure to freshen up any toilet. And who doesn't want a nice smelling toilet? This will be a great addition to your product line. Here's a recipe. First, you're going to gather your supplies. You'll need a mixing utensil, 2 mixing bowls, and molds for your product. We're using half a bath bomb mold, but you can use any molds you desire. To make 2 cups of product, you will also need the following ingredients: 71.4% or 1 1/3 cups of baking powder, 27.2% or 1/2 cup citric acid, 1.1% or 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 0.33% or 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide, and last but not least, 0.1% or 30 drops of your favorite fragrance from AFI. Out of all the fragrances here at AFI, today I will be using lemon. It's a very clean and refreshing smell. I recommend a citrus or mint fragrance. Let's get started. It's a super easy product to make. Take your baking powder and citric acid and place it into a bowl. Give it a good mix. Then in a separate bowl, add your vinegar. Then your hydrogen peroxide. And lastly, your fragrance. Mix this well. Now add the liquid to the dry slowly. Mix thoroughly. It should clump like this. All that's left to do is transfer it into your molds. Let it sit overnight and then store them in an airtight container. When it's done, it'll look like this. To use this, all you have to do is toss it in the toilet. Not only will it remove the grime, but it also smells amazing. If you like this product, be sure to check out our DIY on bathroom cleaner. It can be used on multiple different surfaces. We made these for less than $1 and it can be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $7 to $8. Thanks for watching another AFI DIY. I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy product. Make sure you check out our channel so you can see some of our other DIY videos. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date with some of our other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!